There is an animal that is important to the tribes and ecosystems of California that is in need of help. This animal is the salmon. The salmon, which is an anadromous fish, which means it migrates uprivers from the sea to spawn, is very important to California because it is a cultural keystone species to many tribes and it supplies food to thousands of people. Unfortunately for many California native salmon, they are becoming an endangered species in many rivers that they were once thriving in. One of the reasons less and less salmon are found in the wild are fish farms. Millions of fish, including these poor salmon, are raised in compact, dirty, and unsuitable fish farms. These fish farms can contain up to 750,000 fish in an area that is equal to 4 football fields. So much bio-waste in such a small area can cause unfit and diseased fish. These diseases usually spread outside the nets and into wild salmon, killing them. These fish farms don't only affect fish. The fish farms have high-frequency whistles to ward off predators like dolphins, but these whistles cause the sudden disappearance of killer whales, and seals in the area. Another reason for the declining numbers of salmon in California is a loss of habitat. The Klamath River Dam has greatly disturbed the native fish species of Klamath River by taking a huge percentage of water from it. This water loss is the main reason for the Klamath River fish kill of 2002, where as many as 80,000 salmon died from overheating, disease, and exhaustion. Helping our salmon thrive will also help our forests around the rivers. This is because when a salmon is dragged from the river to the forest by a predator, its corpse releases nitrogen which surrounding vegetation's roots absorb. Happy salmon means a happy forest. The survival of our salmon is important to the cultural survival of tribes like the Hupa, Pomo, and Karaks. This is because salmon are a cultural keystone species to them, which means their cultures, beliefs, and customs are firmly rooted in salmon existing around them. Without salmon, the Karaks, Pomo, and Hupa would find it very hard to keep old traditions alive. We should work to end dam building that affects salmon and to disassemble the ones that do. We should aim to end fish farming, not only to save the salmon, but to save the other native species surrounding the farm. Most importantly, we should save the salmon to save the cultures of the native tribes who rely so deeply on the salmon's existence. Let's save our salmon.